given that sine of 2a plus 20 degrees divided by cosine of half a minus 60 degrees is equals to tan of 45 degrees. Find the value of a. So the first thing you're going to identify in this question is tan of 45. Tangent of 45 is equivalent to 1. So let me write this. Tangent of 45 is equivalent to 1. The most important thing. Begin from there. So tan of 45 degrees is equals to 1. Now, knowing that, you can now substitute tan of 45 with 1. So you have sine of 2a plus 20 divided by cosine of half a minus 60 is equals to 1. From this now you can cross multiply these. You'll have sine of 2a plus 20 multiplied by 1. So this will be sine of 2a plus 20 degrees is equals to cosine over half a minus 60 multiplied by 1. That will give cosine of half a minus 60. After writing that, there's something that you notice, and here we are going to use the property, that's complementary property in trigonometry. Recall this: given sine of a is equals to cosine of b. Look at these angles. These are property a plus b should be complementary, that it should add up to 90 degrees. So in this case, 2a plus 20, we can let that on to be a, then half a minus 60, that is b. So that means if I take 2a plus 20, so 2a plus 20 plus I have a minus 60. If I add those angles, I should get 90 degrees. So like terms, 2a plus a half a, that will give 2.5a or 2.5a. Okay, then 20 minus 60 will give negative 40 degrees, and this one should give 90 degrees. So 2.5a is equals to 130. Get a, divide both sides by 2.5. A will be given by 130 divided by 2.5. That will give 52 degrees. And that is how you find the value of a.